studio on.
When you're actually setting up, if you guys can see, you only have to tie in the neutral and the hot. The rest of them are tangled together. They're already ready to go. All you got to do is worry about these two. There's a module control box that does everything, so make sure you tie this up. Once you got your fixture ready to go, you're set. So let's go ahead and start. All right, once we set it up, you can tie it up in here, and once it's easy to set up, as long as you have the wires pass through, you could set this up and hook these up. These are tied down through the front, so if you want to ever remove or some wiring issue, you could remove these two screws and take the whole panel out. So what I like about these fixtures, if you guys can see that, they pretty much move anywhere you want. I mean, they're all independent. They can't do a 360, of course, because they're completely tether in, but pretty much anywhere. If you want to light a certain area or certain place, you can do that. So we're gonna go ahead and set them up and turn them on and see how they work. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, if you guys can see, the fixtures all set up already. The one thing I like about it, it shines pretty good, pretty awesome. Like if you guys can see the lighting itself, you could focus any direction. So these could be good for studio light to they're independently moved. If you guys can see every direction you want, you could shine any. These could be on the bathroom. They could be over a frame, a picture frame. They could directly do a certain light. Now, there's only certain kind of colors that they have. They're not the blue lights or anything like that. They're just one tone of LED lights, if you guys can see that, and that's pretty much it. Turning it off and on will be through your actual switch. There is no remotes or anything, but they're all fixed. It's a fixed back end, but the actual each light is independently moved anywhere, any direction you want. You could focus on a certain item, maybe a certain thing. If you want to focus on maybe a certain thing in the bathroom, you could. But if you want to light different directions, you can. Different directions, if you guys can see that, all three different directions. But I like it that you can move anywhere you want independently, and they're shiny and bright. This will light up a whole room. But these are a little soft tone, so you're gonna need a brighter light if you're gonna want it to completely be a dominant light. So maybe a couple of these you could put around the actual fixture. But perfect, beautiful little lights. I like them. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.